Daniel Morgan's Virginia Riflemen weren't just soldiers. Their deadly accuracy and frontier skill made them one of the Revolution's most feared forces. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Daniel Morgan was a hard-driving Virginia frontiersman, scarred by British punishment before the war and forged by the wilderness. Morgan led the Virginia Riflemen, elite marksmen using long rifles that outranged British muskets with deadly accuracy. They fought fast and loose, skirmishing, targeting officers, vanishing into forests. It wasn't European warfare, it was American. At Saratoga, Morgan's men shattered British formations, helping force Burgoyne's surrender, a turning point that brought French support. Despite success, Morgan faced wounds, exhaustion, and neglect. He left the army, then returned when the South was in danger. In 1781, Morgan outsmarted the British at Coopan's, using layered lines and a feigned retreat to destroy a veteran force. Coopan's broke British momentum in the South and proved American commanders could outthink, not just outfight, the enemy. Daniel Morgan and his riflemen changed warfare, showing skill, speed, and intelligence could defeat empire.